So let's talk to another proud member of ASIRT. May I know your name, sir?
My name is Ravi Jalan from Shakti Enterprise, and I am member from ASIRT since very first year.
Oh wow, that's great. So you are 11-year-old member, I think, and you have been one of the pioneers in building this platform in whatever manner suitable.
Yeah, madam, you can say that.
That's great. That's great. So how is the vision for you and for ASIRT, and how we are looking forward to grow with it?
Madam, I am looking at ASIRT mainly for collaborations and the knowledge sharing. So I can say that I am happy with it.
That's nice. How knowledge sharing helps over here?
Knowledge sharing, madam, it basically we are an SI, we are not the OEM.
Okay.
So when we get some information about some products or some services, so either we get the knowledge from our members, or we are giving our knowledge to other members. So it helps making a decision
Okay.
how to offer it, how to sell it, how to purchase it. That's it.
And I think IT is a quite fast moving industry where there's something new every other day and you have to educate yourself and others as well, right?
I will tell you one commercial point.
Okay.
IT products has got the 40% depreciation. No other products got such a higher amount of depreciation. This depreciation has because the technology is just very fast. That's why. So technology is very fast. It's ever changing. In 3 years, you are out of date.
Yeah. If you don't upgrade yourself and platform like ASIRT give you that opportunity to learn from others, share your knowledge with others and improvise upon your field.
Yes, madam.
Okay, great. Thanks for being here. It was pleasure talking to you.